one thing I want to say in the end that there have been heartbreaking deaths of some of these workers which will never make the headlines. अनुभव, मुझे याद है कि एक मजदूर थे, वो दिल्ली से मध्य प्रदेश पैदल जा रहे थे और आगरा के थोड़े आगे उनकी डेथ हो गई. And I went to his village, I went to his home, और उनकी बहन थी और वो अभी भी कह रही थी कि my brother was trying to earn enough money so we could start a school in the village. अब ये तो कभी हेडलाइन में एक बारी भी हेडलाइन नहीं बनेगी, हेडलाइन बनी तो हफ्तों तक तो नहीं चलेगी. बट व्हेन यू हियर टुडे, एंड आई वांट टू आस्क बोथ ऑफ यू दिस इनसाइडर आउटसाइडर डिबेट अबाउट योर इंडस्ट्री स्टार्टेड बाय सुशांत's वेरी ट्रैजिक डेथ. एक तरफ वो इनसाइडर आउटसाइडर कॉन्वर्सेशन है, एक तरफ ये माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स, हमारी मजदूरों की कॉन्वर्सेशन है. दोनों में जैसे मनोज ने कहा कोई तालमेल नहीं है. वी टॉकिंग अबाउट टू पैरेलल यूनिवर्सेस, टू but what does it mean to you? Altogether different. What does the phrase insider outsider mean to both of you? I'll start with Anu.
In the film industry, it means nothing. It's just
ऐसे ही झूठ है, बिल्कुल झूठ है कि
absolutely झूठ है. Absolutely झूठ.
क्यों?
I mean, it's been discussed too much. Too many outsiders have made it very big. Too many insiders have flopped and are out of business. And I've been around 30 years. Even before satellite TV started, to the point where OTTs have come in and the opportunities are plenty. Yeah. I have never seen discrimination based on this. No, this is ridiculous. This has no basis. The insider-outsider debate in the lower class, in the society, lower middle and lower class, that exists, and rightfully so. Because people whose land it is, they feel more entitled, and they should be more entitled. And once their jobs are taken away, they feel bad. And at times the struggle is violent. We have seen it all. So that is something that needs to be looked into. And that is something. So there's another debate that this is one country, anybody can go anywhere and work. But that's a very beautiful debate when you have work everywhere.
Yeah.
Then you can choose to go and work there. And when Maharashtrian guy decides, okay, I want to work in Mussoorie, he goes to Mussoorie and starts. That's very cool. But, it ain't the truth. Yeah. So that is a different discussion than the Bollywood discussion, which is ludicrous. And that is something that people, our governments, need to look into.
Let me give the last word to Manoj. Do you agree कि ये बिल्कुल फजूल किस्म की डिबेट है when it comes to the industry, या फजूल नहीं तो overplayed है? अनुभव के लिए ये disproportionate conversation हो गई है एक तरह से. और आपने एक बात कही थी after Sushant died, you said कि एक बारी सेट पर उन्होंने आके आपके पैर छुए and you saw the small town Patna boy in him. Maybe you saw shades of yourself in that journey of his. Do you agree with Anubhav कि ये एक overstated, disproportionate, overemphasized conversation है जो हमें बात करनी चाहिए, वो कुछ और करनी चाहिए, लेकिन वो हमारी mass media बात करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है कि आपका experience कुछ अलग है?
देखिए, ये insider outsider debate and this all started just since 20 years. If you go back and start researching, you realize that within the industry, this debate, started taking intensity or going very intense only since 20 years. Before that, there was no insider-outsider debate. Yes, I agree with Anubhav that 90% of the people who made it very big in this industry, all of them came from outside, all of them. Okay. But since 20 years, they're not outsider, but I would say there's some kind of elitist lobbies started emerging. Okay. That elitist lobby started calling themselves insider and started calling rest of the people outsiders.
Right.
Okay. So the anger and the debate post Sushant's tragic death, everything came out at that moment. So his sad demise was just an excuse for people to vent out, where they were feeling somewhere left out over the years.
Have you felt that? Have you felt that personally?
Many of the film journalists here, they ask me this, and I always say that since I have taken a different path, of doing independent films and doing things which had nothing to do with the so-called insiders.
Yeah.
It was they never wanted to be part of those films, the films that I was doing, and so I was never in clash with them. Yeah. And also I never had to look for validation, for that work of mine, and they were not experts in really, giving validation for that kind of work, because the work was very independent. The kind of work that I have been doing for all of these years, they were very independent or middle of the road in its nature. I was not in direct confrontation with them. Okay. But if you ask me, the workshops that I take here sometime, many of the people call me for workshops. I go for the acting workshops or the theater workshops. The young ones were quite affected, and every time in the workshops, I had to tell them that, don't think about the nepotism, don't think about the insider, outsider, that will only handicap you. You guys should be skilled enough so that when you get that opportunity, that one opportunity, you hit it out of the boundary.
Yeah.
So that conversation was always there, Balka.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. That insecurity in people, girls and boys coming from outside, that was always there. Yeah. So that needs to be answered, rather than just creating a cacophony and creating a noise where and now I don't even want to talk about it much, because everything has gone in every direction.
Yes.
So anything that you say will be it's so dicey and tricky today.